Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to make zucchini chicken enchiladas. These are the ingredients. With our zucchinis previously washed, we start cutting off the edges. With any vegetable peeler that you have, start slicing the zucchinis like I show you here. And it is completely okay if they are not perfect. Try to do your best, but it doesn't matter if they are not perfect, okay? As you can see here, I changed peelers because the other one was not working really well. This one seems to be working much better. Like I said, the slices do not need to be perfect. For the chicken, we start adding oil to a hot pan and we start adding our chopped onion. After 3 minutes or so, we start adding our garlic. We start adding salt, pepper to taste, and also our pepper flakes. Okay, after 1 minute, we start adding our shredded cooked chicken. And we blend it all together, we mix it all together. And then we add our cup of 1 enchilada sauce. You can make your own sauce or you can just use a can of enchilada sauce like I did. I think the one I used is Las Palmas. We mix it all together really well. You just want to make sure the chicken is completely covered in the enchilada sauce. You can add more enchilada sauce if you like, and then you just mix and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. Alright, we are ready. We start arranging the zucchini slices with the edges overlapping. You can put 3 or 4. We can start adding the chicken and start rolling them up like I show you here. Okay, and then we start placing them on a greased baking dish like I show you here. Okay, and then we start doing the same thing all over again, overlapping 3 slices of zucchinis or 4 slices. And then we start adding chicken, rolling them up and putting them on the dish. Like I said before, it is okay if the slices are not perfect. Like I'm showing you here, they are a little bit ripped off, but I added 4 or 5. It is okay as long as you can roll it up, okay? Okay, when done, just pour enchilada sauce over them and top it off with cheese. I think I used over a cup of enchilada sauce, but you can always use more if you like. Okay, they're ready to go in the oven. And there you have it, guys. Super easy, super healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy!